The Cobra went to the paint shop over the winter and needed a few things touched up. One of them was a scratch that I did on the fender. Let's take a look at that. Good day to have Grundy Insurance. They took care of it with zero deductible. And the interesting thing is you can't really paint part of a Cobra. There are no body lines on it like a conventional car with fenders and so on. So they didn't need to repaint the color, but what they needed to do was fix it color-wise and then re-clear the whole car, which Grundy stepped up on that. So I was really grateful for a good insurance company. Another thing that had happened, it was actually the day I got it back from paint, is I took it for a drive and it was way over 110 here, and the paint bubbled right above the header where it exits the car. I don't believe the paint was all the way dry yet, and he wanted to take care of that. So obviously this is the right time to do it. I did a couple things to combat this happening again. I went inside and wrapped the headers close to the body there with heat tape on both sides. The other thing is, looking at a lot of original Cobras, I think this was actually a Kirkham, but you can see the opening around the headers is bigger than what I had, so we decided to make that bigger. The combination of the bigger hole in the side of the body there for the heat to get out and wrapping the headers with that heat tape, I think the paint is safe now. Another nice little touch they added in at the body shop was they put these two adjusters on. As you can see, there's one on the right and one on the left. And so it gives the trunk a positive stop to hit on. And then you can also adjust it high or low as needed on right and left. So you can see the deck lid lines up nice and straight. Those body gaps just look beautiful. And it's adjustable. I had a Raydot mirror on the driver's side, wanted to add one on the passenger's side, which I did. And I bent the brackets so the mirrors can adjust properly. I did a short on that if you want to check that out. Goes into a little bit more detail on doing the Raydot mirrors. Hey, let's take a walk around. I'll give you a good look at the paint on both sides of the car. You let me know what you think. I think the original Garage in Manti does top-notch work. I think this thing looks great and I appreciate everything they've done on it. And it's ready for another season. Take a look.